ఓకే హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్, హ్యాపీ సంక్రాంతి. ఈరోజు మనము 10th క్లాస్ సంబంధించినటువంటి బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మనకు త్వరలో మార్చిలో జరగబోతున్నాయి. కాబట్టి మనం ఈ రోజు నుండి 10th క్లాస్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ని స్టార్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాం. ఓకే, మా ఛానల్ పేరు వచ్చేసి మిస్టర్ ఆనంద్ ఫిజిక్స్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్. మీరు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని డైలీ ఒక వీడియోను మీరు 10th క్లాస్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ని ఫాలో అప్ కండి. రైట్, ఈరోజు మనం 10th క్లాస్ ఫిజిక్స్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక చాప్టర్ని మనం డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్నాం. కరెంట్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ లేదా ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్. దీన్ని మనం ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం బోత్ బైలింగ్వల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం అండ్ తెలుగు మీడియంలో మనం క్లాస్ డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్నాం అమ్మా. రైట్, టుడే వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్. అకార్డింగ్ టు ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ప్రాపర్టీ, మెటీరియల్స్ ఆర్ 3 types. One is conductor, number 2 insulator, number 3 semiconductor. Right, conductors means whose materials are allow the motion of electron is called conductors. Examples are metals. All metals are best conductors. Number 2 insulator, whose materials are does not allow the flow of electrons are called insulator. Examples are wood, plastic, rubber and any chalk paste board. These are example of insulator. Semiconductor, whose materials property between the conductor and insulator are called semi with a partial. Sometimes these materials are behaves a conductor, after some time insulator. At particular temperature, these materials are allow the properties are behaves a insulator. After some temperature supply the energy, it converts to conductor. Examples are germanium and silicon. Right, what is mean by electric current? One more question amma, multiple choice or fill in the blanks, and one more question also. What is mean by electric current? The flow of electron passing through the conductor per unit time. The number of electrons, amma electrons అనేవి ఒక కండక్టర్ గుండా ఒక క్రాస్ సెక్షన్ ఏరియా గుండా కండక్టర్లోని ఒక సెకండ్ కాలం పాటు ఫ్లో అయినట్లయితే దాన్ని ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్, దాన్ని ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ అంటున్నాం అమ్మా. ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ అనేది వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫిజికల్ క్వాంటిటీ. రైట్ అమ్మా, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్. Okay, electric current means the motion of electron. Simply say the motion of electron. According to our syllabus, the flow of electron passing through the conductor per unit time is known as current. Current is a physical quantity, that's why denoted by small I. Right, electric current formula ఏంటంటే charge of electrons by time. Charge of electrons by అమ్మా ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ ఫార్ములా ఏముంది అంటే మనకు charge of electron by time. Right, number of electrons, n be the number of electrons, e be the charge of electrons by time is called current. Current formula ఇది గుర్తు పెట్టుకుంటామా. I equal to q by t. Q means charge of electron, t be the time taken. Unit of electric current. Unit of electric current. Electric current is measured by ampere. Ampere amma. Unit of electric current ampere. 1 ampere equal to, sometime asking, 1 coulomb by 1 second. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb by second. Right, current always flows from higher potential to lower potential. Current flows from higher potential of a battery to lower potential of a battery. Right, but electrons flows from negative to positive, minus to plus, but current flows from higher to plus to minus. Right, current is measured by ammeter device. One device name is known as ammeter. Ammeter is a device to measure the current. Right, second one is potential. Potential, what is mean by potential? Potential is nothing but work done on the electron. V equal to W by Q. Unit of potential is volt. 1 volt equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. Potential is a basically physical quantity. It is a suitable word of a battery. What is mean by potential? Work done by charge of electrons. Right, unit of potential is volt. 1 volt equal to, sometime asking, 1 joule by 1 coulomb. Volt potential is measured by voltmeter. Is a device to measure the potential difference between any two points in a circuit. Okay now. Right, next to Ohm's law. Right, continuation. Ohm's law. What is mean by Ohm's law? Ohm is one of the scientists. It gives the relation between potential and current. Statement: if temperature of the wire is constant, temperature of the wire or conductor is constant, potential is directly proportional to its current. Let us consider one metallic wire. Potential applied between the two ends of the wire, then current flows in a wire. V be the potential, I be the current. Both are proportionality condition. Potential applied between the two ends of the conductor is directly proportional to flow of current. in a wire V is directly proportional to IM. Both are proportionality. If LHS increases, voltage increases, automatically current also increases. Based on Ohm's law, we got one constant R name is called resistance. What is mean by resistance? Resistance is a property of the wire. Resistance is a property of the wire. Right, R formula in the mante R equal to V by I, potential by electric current. The ratio between potential difference by electric flow of current is known as resistance. But according to syllabus, what is meant by resistance? The motion oppose the motion of electron. It is a property of the wire. Oppose the motion of the electron, oppose the flow of current in a wire. The property name is known as resistance. The resistance property of the wire is denoted by symbol is, right, it is a property of resistance symbol. Right, what is the unit of resistance? Is ohm. Unit of resistance is ohm. Right, one symbol is there, ohm. Right, 1 ohm equal to your answer 1 volt by 1 ampere. 1 volt by 1 ampere. Right, once again I will explain. Right, what is Ohm's law? Very important for short answer. Potential is directly proportional to electric current. Potential is directly proportional to electric current. Based on Ohm's law, we got one constant. Amma, ikkada R means electric resistance. It is a property of the wire. What is mean by resistance? It opposes the motion of electron or flow of current in a wire. The property of the wire name is known as resistance. What is formula resistance? R equal to V by I. V means potential, I means current. Unit of resistance is ohm, but sometime asking 1 ohm equal to 1 volt by 1 ampere. 1 volt by 1 ampere. The resistance of the wire, it is a property denoted by symbol is ila chuinchalamma, ఇది resistance symbol. Okay, right. Right, amma. Resistance is a property of the wire, depends on some factors. You remember it. R is a property of the wire, depends on some factors. R resistance of the wire, R depends on nature of the material. One is nature of the material. Right. Number 2, different materials have different resistance property. Number 2, temperature of the material. Temperature. What is condition? Temperature and resistance both are proportionality. If temperature of the wire or conductor increases, automatically resistance property also. 3 amma, impurities. Some impurities are added to the semiconductor, added to the material conductor, then automatically resistive property also decreases. Fourth one condition is dimensions. Right, resistance of the wire, it is a property, depends on 4 factors. One is the nature of the material. Number 2, temperature of the material. If temperature increases, automatically resistance property also increases and gurtupettukondi. Number 3, impurities. If impurities are added to the conductor, then automatically resistance property will be decreases. Number 3, dimensions. Dimension. Any wire or conductor, what are the dimensions? One is length of the wire. Number 2, area of cross section of the wire. R is directly proportional to L. R is 1 by proportional to A. These are the dimensions. Dimensions means resistance of the wire is directly proportional to length of the wire and inversely proportional to area of cross section of the wire. From dimensions, we got one formula, R proportional to L by A, R equal to rho into A. Here, rho is called specific resistance. Rho name is known as specific resistance. We got some constant, that constant name is known as specific resistance. The unit of specific resistance is ohm meter. Right. Right, these are one of the important area. R means resistance of the wire, depends on length and area. We got one constant. Rho name is known as, mentioned rho. That constant name is known as rho. Rho is called specific resistance or sometimes called resistivity also. The unit of resistivity is ohm into meter. Right. Okay, right, amma. Conductance and conductivity. Sometime asking continuation. Right, conductance. What is meant by conductance? Simply say, you write the reciprocal of resistance is known as conductor. Conductance denoted by G. The reciprocal of resistance is known as conductance 1 by R. What is the unit of conductance? Mho. Or ohm inverse. It is a unit of conductance. Conductivity. The reciprocal of specific resistance. The reciprocal of specific resistance or resistivity is known as conductivity. Unit of conductivity is mho into meter inverse. Right. These are the 2 short answers or multiple choice questions. Right. Conductance and conductivity. The reciprocal of resistance is called conductance. The reciprocal of conductivity is known as the reciprocal of specific resistance is called conductivity. Units mho, here units ohm into meter inverse.